What is your question, my dear? Yeah, that's already the answers, but you are going to arrange here at the back of your paper. You are going to make paragraphs, or only one paragraph, 3 sentences inside. Okay, then make it sure to have indentation and then the margin. Okay, you guess, yeah, you guess which sentence will be written on the first line, which sentence is on the second line, and on the last sentence. Okay, 3 sentences, all of them are 3 sentences already.
If I wrote here, there's a space
at the back, just right at the back, so that you can have it all.
That is the answer already.
That's already the answer, but you are going to, it's not arranged yet. You are going to arrange. You are going to read the sentences. What is the sentence that will be written on the first line? Okay? You understand the... What? Why?
I do not understand.
Why? But there, I'm recording.
I do not understand.
What? I said the 3 sentences there that I wrote are already answers, but you are going to arrange which will be the first sentence, which will be the second and the third sentence. You are going to put indentation.
Teacher.
In a paragraph, there is an indentation like this. There is a space on the first sentence. There is a space. This is already one paragraph. You are going to put that one paragraph. Inside the paragraph, there are 3 sentences. 3 sentences already. Okay? Okay, go. Done? Are you sure? What, Margel? Why did you say wala pa? Oh, you speak English. It's English time. English time. What? What? You dance there. Oh, you sing there.
Talk with the Bisaya.
What?
I'm going to talk with the Bisaya.
What? No, not yet. English time still.
Bosa said early, the heart is tired.
Oh no.
And the brain is have a sleep.
Oh no. Oh, you're done eating na.
Teacher.
She's done eating.
Yes.
She's now alive. I mean, she has now the energy to write because she's finished eating. Yeah. What, Eunice?
The 3 lines was
On the next line, where is your indentation? Diba I said there is an indentation like this. This is a one paragraph that has many sentences. The indentation is like this, a space before the first line. You erase here. Start it here. Start the it one. Okay? That's indentation. The good ones are always asking me. But the not so good, they are playing. I will check your paper if you are writing a paragraph there. Yeah, you're right. I already gave you... Shh, listen. I already gave you 3 sentences. you are going to arrange those sentences and make it a paragraph. Okay? Right? I put indentation and margins. What did Shamara say? Shamara, you are going to sing later, okay? Okay, that's your sample.
Shamara will sing if the voice is done.
Oh no, for everybody. She will showcase her talent for everybody to hear.
But
What, Aldi? What will you say? You're done? No. Yes, you're done.
I want to dance,
You
but
sing,
I'm
Shamara, you will sing to
everyone.
later.
Lady Gaga.
Okay. Because you're sleeping. Your hair is messy.
I told you.
Your hair is messy. What?
I don't.
It's what? Oh, Jolicar, you will sing later? Richie said you speak Bisaya. Hey, oh, Margel, you're speaking there. You told me that you cannot speak English. What?
Can you speak Visayas now?
Not yet. We're not yet done with our English. Last 2 minutes. What, Jobin? What can you say? What will you say like that? Where is the line? Don't put line there. What's that? We're done? I will let you pass that in front. Okay? Okay. Not yet done. There is 1 minute still. 1 minute. There is 1 minute. You're not speaking. You're like a deaf. A mute.
I don't want to speak. So
Oh, you're speaking now.
And I will put an answer of one paragraph.
What? Come again? There are 3 sentences there, right?
And then I will answer in one paragraph.
Yes, inside the 1 paragraph, there are 3 sentences. Okay? But don't forget the indentation.
I have 4 sentences. I have 4 sentences.
Oh, only 3. 3 there. Long. The first sentence is long. That's why.
Bisaya.
Wilkie too? Wilkie, you have many punishment already. You will sing or dance there.
Teacher, Jellica want to dance and sing.
Yeah, sure. Together with Wilkie.
Because you speak 2 Visayas.
Visayan word.
Visaya.
Okay? Wilkie and Jolicar, you will dance now. And wait.
Visaya.
Oh, Altiso, you said Visaya.
Yeah, you did. You said. You did.
White cross. No. Yeah. What word?
I forgot. Jamar said Visaya. Teacher, he said Visaya.
What word?
He said, ako po kay Visayas.
Visayas, it's not Visayas Luzon, Visayas Mindanao. The person is Visaya.
Jamar said Visaya.
Oh no, Jemark will dance later.
I know what he said now.
What's that?
The Visaya set aside.
Hawa? Dumpling. Dumpling. Oh no.
Teacher.
Oy, where's your... Oy. Where's the indention? I see it. There is an indention here. Do not start here. Should be like that. No. Another 1 minute. Okay. Raise your hand if you are done. Sit down at the count of 5. Sit properly.
Cut yun sa Bisaya.
Word? Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Pass your paper in front without making noise and without standing. No standing, Wilkie. No standing. Pass your paper in front of you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will dance the Naire. Pati. I did not receive the papers yet. You submit to me the papers.